Hello everyone, welcome to Data in Nutshell. In this video, we are going to see how you can synchronize your Gmail account with your iPhone contacts and iPhone contacts with your Gmail account. So for this, you have to go to settings. On the settings, first type mail and then click on mail. On the top, you have mail accounts, right? Click on that. In case if you want to add a new account, then click on add account. And if your account is already added like this, just click on that email address and click on the contacts button. Now this part sync your iPhone contacts with your Gmail by default. Now let's go back to the settings, and in the settings type contact. Click on contacts and contacts account, click on it. On the same email address, click it and then make sure that contact button is on. Now your contacts in Gmail is also linked with your iPhone. So just remember one thing, by default iPhone does not share the contacts with Gmail. So for that you have to come to contacts and turn it on to this email address. So if you turn it on, only then iPhone will share. And with these two methods, you can make sure that all the contacts are synchronized between Gmail and iPhone and Gmail. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please subscribe and like it. Thank you a lot. Thanks for watching.